Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is Java Array List. Java Array List. The array list class is a resizable array which can be found in java.util package. The difference between a built-in array and array list in Java is that the size of an array cannot be modified. If you want to add or remove element from an array, you have to create a new one, while element can be added and removed from an array list. Whether you want the syntax is also slightly different. If you do not know what a package to read our Java package rule add atom. The array list class have many useful methods. For example, to add element to the array list, use the add method. Example Java util Java array list public class main public static void main access an atom to access an atom and the array list. Use the get method and refer to the index number. Array indexes start with 00 is the first element. In the second element, change an atom to modify an element. Use a set method and refer to the index number. Remove an atom to remove an element. Use the remove method and refer to the index number. Car remove 0. To remove all element in the array list, use the clear method. Array list size. To find out how many elements an array have, to use the size method. Loop through an array list. Loop through the element of an array list with a for loop and use the size method to specify how many times loop should run. You can also loop through an array list with for each loop. Other text element in an array list are actually object. In the example above, we created element of type string. Remember that a string in Java is an object, not a primitive type. To use the other types such as int, you must specify an equivalent wrap class. For the primitive types, use boolean for boolean, character for char, double for double, etc. Example: create an array list of to store number, add element of type integer, sort an array list. Another useful class in the Java.util package is the collection class, which include the sort method for sorting list alphabetically and numerically. Example: sort an array list of string, import Java util array list, import Java util collection, public class, main public static void main, array list string, car add, Mazda Ford, OMW, sort an array list of integer, Java linked list. Java linked list, we learn about the array list class, and linked list is the class almost identical to the array list. Array list versus linked list. The linked list class is collection which can contain many objects to the same time, just like array list. The linked list class that has all of the same method as the array list class because they both implement the list in interface. This means that you can add atom, change atom, remove atom, and clear the list in the same way. However, while the array list class and the linked list class can be used in the same way, they are built very differently. How the array list work? The array list class has a regular array inside. When an element is added, it is placed into the array. If the array is not being enough, a new larger array is created to replace the odd one and the old one is removed. How the linked list work? The linked list store an atom container. The when to use an array list for storing and access data and linked list to manipulate data. Linked list method. For many cases, the array list is more efficient as it is common to need access to random atom in the list, but the linked list provides several method to do certain operation more efficiently. Add as an atom to the beginning of the list. List add an atom to the end of the list. Remove first, remove last, get first, get last. Java hash map. You learn that array store atom as an order collection and you have to access them with an indexed number in types a hashtag. However, store atom in key value of whether that you can access them with an index of another type. One object is used as key to another object value. It can store different types string keys and integer value are the same value like string keys and string value. Add atom. The hash map class have many useful methods. For example, to add atom to use the put method. Access an atom to access a value in the hash map. Use the get method and refer to as key. Remove an atom to remove an atom. Use the remove method and refer to the key. Hash maps to find how many atoms there are. Use the size method. Loop through a hash map. Loop through the atom of hash map with the for each loop. Use the key set method if you only want the keys, and use the value method if you only want the values. Other types keys and value in a hash map are actually object. In the example above, we use the object of data string. Remember that a string in Java an object. To use the other types such as integer, you must specify and clearly wrap. If you subscribe our video, like our video, please subscribe our channel, like share my video, and the next lecture will tell you about more about in Java. Please take care. Khuda Hafiz. Bye.